BioPath is a new program that we're launching. It really focuses on high school through a certification program in biomanufacturing.
The products that require biomanufacturing skills and techniques continue to grow and play a more important role in human health in general. We are sending our teams out into the local high schools here at HISD, creating the opportunity for experiential learning and understanding of what biomanufacturing is and why it could be a great career.
BioPath is a 5-step program that we've created to excite and introduce students to entry-level careers in biomanufacturing, specifically as a biomanufacturing associate. These are entry-level careers that don't require a 4-year degree, don't even require a 2-year diploma.
And these jobs start out at anywhere from $50,000 to $70,000. So they actually are well-paying jobs and you can really build your career upon them.
We're in the schools right now with 2 different things. So the Bridge Your Career test drive, where students are getting to pipette and learn aseptic technique, started since September of 2024. And then we've got a mobile STEM lab with Learning Undefeated. And today, students are going on there learning these hands-on skills.
We bring a tractor trailer that's a laboratory, and so they get to go in there and feel it and understand it. We set up a career fair in the high school gyms.
And we've created a biomanufacturing simulation for them. So they're either making medicine or they're transforming bacteria.
So they can be exposed through these 2 programs within their schools. Those students that sort of show an aptitude or an interest, we follow up with. We do after-school programs. There's summer internship programs for students, and then following along the path to help them connect to that certification program in the long run.
Get into a training program, get an internship, learn the skills, and then get a great paying job afterwards.
BioPath, it builds that core talent base that we really need, that builds into the whole ecosystem here of the Texas Medical Center.
The industry is exploding around these advanced biological products. We're creating an awareness that these jobs are coming, that the pipeline is robust, and that trained individuals will have a great opportunity to grow a career there.